Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to download and install the Township app on iPhone. So let's begin. So at first we need to secure that our iPhone is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then open our app store. Then you can see a search button, click on it. Now click yes, type Township and click on search. You can see the app here, click on it. You can see the get button, click on get. It will show you install, click on install, and it will ask for the app store password. So let's give our app store password. I've given my app store password, so let's sign in. It's signing in, it's done, and you can see it's downloading here, installing here. Let's wait a little bit. It's downloading. You can see this downloaded here. That's it. That's how you can download the Township app on your iPhone. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you next time.